Hey everyone, I've got another lock here for you, and this is another one from the Late Night Lock Picker. This one doesn't have a key, so I've got to be careful whenever I'm getting it, but it is a Wiser keyway. Should be a pretty fun lock to get into. So let me go ahead and get it clamped up here. This is not one of that might be a problem. Yeah, not so much. I thought maybe I was crushing that key ring, but I wasn't. Okay. So, getting nice and zoomed in here before I start picking. And that is a very, very wide keyway. And, well, the widest I have is a 40 thousandths. So we'll have to just make do with that. Okay. And let's go ahead and start out with a hook I really haven't used on video a lot, but I use this style hook quite often. It is my swoop, and this is my tall swoop. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3's binding, click. Nothing on 4, and nothing on 5. Click off of 4, click off of 3, click off of 1, 2, and a couple clicks from 5, lots of clicks from 5. Okay, that was another little click from 5. Got a click from 3 and 2, working my way back forward. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Little click off of 4. Nice click off of 5. A big click off of 5. Clicks from 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Wait a minute, this might be a 6-pin lock. You know what? Let me pause and count pins. I heard 6 clicks in there. Yeah, 6-pin. There's where a little bit of my difficulty was coming from. That pick won't work fantastically on a 6-pin lock that's not picking all the way from the bottom. Okay, clicks from 3. Okay, nice click from 6, clicks from 5. Three's bound pretty good. Nice click out of 3. Nice click out of 2 and a click out of 1. Another click from 2. Nothing on 3, nothing on 4. Some clicks out of 5. It's a nice solid click from 2. That was a lot of clicks right there off of 5. Interesting. Nice click from 3. Another. Yeah, that didn't sound good. God, what the hell am I doing? Well, I must have done the right thing, because I just landed a big false set. Okay, having a little bit of trouble getting underneath with that pick. Let me switch up here. All right. Let's go with this guy. Okay, nice counter rotation here. And that opened us up. It's kind of getting caught on the key ring on the back. But there we go. It is turned. All right, so let's get that bad boy out of the way. Tag fell off. And let's work on gutting this bad boy. That was a fun little lock. Late Night Lock Picker, you did a good job on that one, man. Alright, I need my clip remover. And since I don't have a key, let me go ahead and turn it 90. Okay, I should be able to get my screwdriver into that. Okay. And this is another test. My last video cut off at 10 minutes and I had to start over, but I think that's because I was filming at 60 frames per second, which may have been a little bit much. So I'm getting up to about 8.5 minutes here, so we'll see. I'm looking for my follower, and it was right here. Okay, I'm definitely need to go shim that. Okay. Key pins are right in front of my face. There we go. Definitely a 6-pinner, and I see some love in there. So it's going to be good times. That was pin 1 and 2. They both came out. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5 and pin 6. Let's go ahead and look at this plug. You see an enlargement / countermilling in 4, countermilling in 2, threads in 1, 3, 5, and 6. So he put a lot of work into this plug. And it kind of showed. I mean, it made it for a hell of a fun pick. Alright, so I've got a serrated with a copper spring. I've got a spool, the steel spring, got another serrated with a copper spring. Well, I hit 10 minutes, so it must have been my settings on my last video. I won't film at 60 frames per second anymore. Okay, let's turn this around and get the last two. A spool for 6. I've got a double spring, and then a serrated for 5. And there's my spring for 5. All right, let's see if he took the top off and did anything inside. Doesn't look like it. Yep, doesn't look like it. All right, so no mods to the top, but we got some pretty nice modded key pins, and mostly looks like factory driver pins. But all in all, with those mods in the plug, pretty fun lock. All right, so I've got a nicely spooled with a tapered top, then a standard, then a serrated, then a double spool, then a little bitty short standard, and then a nicely serrated. Then I've got a serrated key pin, a spool, another serrated key pin, another spool, another long serrated key pin. So he did balance the pin stacks, that's important. And then a spool with a really sharp lip. The springs are all different, so copper, steel, copper, brass maybe, then copper, then a double steel spring here. So a lot of work here. Late Night Lock Picker, I really appreciate you sending me these. Pretty fun locks to pick, and good times to be had all around. So everyone, please stay safe, don't do anything illegal, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.